Hey everyone, welcome back and welcome to the Bohemian Hotel in Celebration, Florida. This is a hotel right in the action in Celebration, known as the town that Disney built. And I decided I was going to stay here and I want to show you this room. So I am in 204 and I have a lake view, but we'll get to that in a second. Let's take a look around. All right, so when you first walk in, we have the bathroom over here, and it is just beautiful. Lots of detail in this hotel, like tons of lovely detail. It's a good sized bathroom. Even though it's not huge, it does not feel stuffy or like cramped in here at all. Here's the shower. And it looks like we do have some good size toiletries here. So that's nice. The bathroom also has a coffee maker, and it looks like we've got some Starbucks. So that's cool. Cups, little single coffee maker. Oh, here's some lotion and a shower cap. There's also some wine glasses. Back out here, excuse my luggage, I just kind of dumped it down, but here's the room. Nice art over here on the wall. Map. I love the organic feel, like the wooden lamp and the wood on the ceiling. And I don't know if you can tell. Let's see if I can get the lights on. Nope. What is it with me in these off-property hotels? Never can figure out the lights. But the walls are purple, which is nice. Nice throw pillows. I also want to just take a second to appreciate the bed linens. I feel like we don't get fancy bed linens as much anymore, or at least bed linens that look fancy, so that's kind of nice. Over here we have two chairs and a painting. I don't know who that's supposed to be. I'm sorry. Okay, and here we have our view of Celebration. This is a really great view. You can really see the entire area, which is nice. There's a walking path, as you can see, kind of people in the distance walking over there. Lots of activities happen here, like all throughout the year. So, especially in the Christmas time, they shut down one of the roads. It's really cool. Anyway, we do have water here. These are $5. And we have our ice bucket. Again, this faux log, which is pretty cool. There's carpet, as you guys can see. Looks like it's in good shape, which is nice. And really nice curtains. Aren't those pretty? Anyway, so let's turn this way. And you'll see there's a desk that has already been littered with my luggage. There are 3 drawers in this desk, very large drawers, which could definitely double as a place for you to put your clothes or whatever it is that you need to do. There's of course a chair here, and it looks like there's an additional drawer as well. Bottle of wine. That one is $54 if you're interested in that. Full-length mirror. I didn't comment on it, but I always talk about accessibility from both sides of the bed. This room has plenty of space on both sides of the bed. So if you are concerned about that, then you don't have to be. Plenty of space. And finally, there is a ceiling fan. Forgot to point that out. There is a closet and a safe. It's a very small closet, but it'll do the job get a luxury bathrobe. You can take it home with you for $89.95. Also comes with slippers. Safe, that works. Enough hangers to get the job done. Everything you need to get the job done. Now, I can't say much about this hotel right this second. I just walked in the door, just walked in the door. But initially, it's really nice. If you're looking for something that's in the heart of Celebration, maybe you're thinking about moving to Celebration, you want to stay in the action, maybe you have family and friends that are down here, this could be a place to stay. This could also be a good place to stay if you're planning on visiting Disney World. I don't know exact numbers on how far everything is from this hotel, but I do know that it is, it's fairly close. So not that big a deal. If you did want to stay off property, you wanted something a little bit more high end, a little bit more expensive, this is not a budget-friendly option, but we're enjoying it today. But that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to hear what I have to say about this hotel after staying here. That's right, we'll do a review of it as well. And for all other Disney fun. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.